Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Here are 9 ways to earn money from Slicethepie. 1. Write detailed reviews. The primary way to earn money on Slicethepie is by writing detailed and constructive reviews of songs. The more detailed and insightful your reviews are, the higher your potential earnings. 2. Rate songs. Along with reviews, you can rate songs on a scale from 1 to 10 based on various criteria. Your ratings contribute to the overall rating of each song. 3. Refer friends. Slicethepie has a referral program that allows you to earn a commission for referring friends to the platform. When your referrals sign up and write their first review, you receive a referral bonus. 4. Participate in special campaigns. Slicethepie occasionally runs special campaigns or contests that offer additional incentives and bonuses for writing reviews during specific time periods or for certain types of music. 5. Level up. Slicethepie has a leveling system that rewards active and experienced reviewers. As you submit more reviews and gain experience, you can progress to higher levels, which may come with increased earnings per review. 6. Listen to a wide range of genres. The platform offers songs across various genres. Listening to and reviewing songs from a diverse range of genres can help you increase your earnings. 7. Write thoughtful comments. In addition to your review, you can leave thoughtful comments for artists, providing encouragement and suggestions for improvement. Positive and constructive comments can earn you extra money. 8. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to earning on Slicethepie. Regularly logging in, listening to songs, and submitting reviews can lead to a steady stream of earnings over time. 9. Pay attention to instructions. Some songs may come with specific instructions for the review, such as focusing on particular aspects of the music. Pay close attention to these instructions to ensure your reviews meet the criteria. Slicethepie offers a unique way for music enthusiasts to engage with new and emerging artists while earning money. Keep in mind that the earnings per review are relatively small, so it may not be a significant source of income. However, if you enjoy discovering new music and sharing your thoughts, Slicethepie can be a fun and rewarding platform.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below. This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.